Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
Imagine telling an AI, like Claude, to build a looping loader animation with 8 dots on a circle. Cavalry-mcp makes that possible. This section explains cavalry-mcp, an MCP server that exposes Cavalry's 2D motion graphics engine as 28 structured tools. The content section lists key topics like architecture and installation, guiding you through the project's structure. The Why section highlights cavalry-mcp's core design. It provides a typed, validated dispatcher, preventing raw script execution and enhancing security. The architecture involves 3 processes: the MCP server, a bridge running inside Cavalry, and Cavalry itself, communicating via post then pull. To install, first build the server with Node.js, then copy the cavalry-bridge.js script into Cavalry's user scripts folder to start the listener. Imagine needing to deduplicate millions of customer records, but names are inconsistent. Fuzzy match MCAP can group probable duplicates, and it even explains why 2 values match. This Python-based model context protocol server uses RapidFuzz for similarity scoring, offering deterministic fuzzy text matching for clients like Cursor. Fuzzy Match MCP's features include normalizing text, comparing strings, and ranking matches. Plus, it can explain results using token overlap. Available MCP tools like normalize text, clean up input, while compare strings gives detailed similarity scores, and find best matches ranks candidates. Matching profiles, such as company or product, apply specialized normalization rules to handle specific data types effectively. Finally, matching strategies like strict or weighted let you fine-tune how similarity is calculated, ensuring precise results for your specific needs. With rms-memory-mcp, tired of re-explaining your project architecture to AI coding agents like Cursor or Zed every time you switch IDEs? rms-memory-mcp at version 1.1.0 offers persistent, local-first memory for your AI coding agents, so you stop repeating yourself. The problem is that switching between agents like Claude Code or OpenCode makes them lose context, forcing you to re-explain architectural decisions. Key features include global centralized vaults, keeping project context outside your repo, and hybrid retrieval using LanceDB for zero-fail context hits. Installation is straightforward with Homebrew for macOS, Apple Silicon, and Linux, or by downloading pre-built binaries for various platforms. To quickly connect every IDE, run rms-memory-install, which scans your system and hooks rms-memory-mcp directly into supported tools like Cursor and Zed. VulnHunter helps you find and fix security flaws that traditional scanners miss by thinking like an attacker. It identifies exploitable defects and proposes fixes. VulnHunter explains it's an Agentic AI security tool that applies proactive, attacker-first analysis directly to source code. Why VulnHunter is different highlights its attacker-first forward analysis, simulating a bad actor's journey from entry points forward. The closed-loop Hunt, Fix, Verify shows VulnHunter as 3 Claude Code skills, forming an automated remediation loop for verified issues. The repository layout organizes components into self-contained subtrees, like VulnHunt for the core scanner skill. Under Requirements and Setup, you'll find prerequisites like the Claude Code CLI, ensuring you have everything needed to get started. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.